What's up, P-Timers? Welcome to Race Day, where we've got the Tesla Roadster Starman Edition going up against 6 amazing fast hypercars. We're going to find out if the Tesla Roadster can beat all these hypercars. Make yourself an official Peak Timer by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video. Let's have a look at the Tesla Roadster Starman Edition. As you can see, it's got the little Starman in there, and this was the tribute to the actual Tesla Roadster that they shot up into space, and they shot the Super Treasure Hunt edition from Hot Wheels up there, and Hot Wheels made this one to honor it. A very, very cool casting released this year, and it is going up against these 6 hypercars. Let's have a look. First up, we've got the Pagani Huayra. Great looking in this cool blue color with that stripe down the center. Next up, we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder in silver. A very, very cool, nice release we saw last year. Then we've got the Ferrari LaFerrari. We've got to have a Ferrari going up against the Tesla. There is that cool looking LaFerrari, a very rare Hot Wheels now. Then we've got the McLaren P1 Orange Edition, and I believe this one was released in the Gran Turismo or the Forza? No, Forza set. There it is. Forza logo right on the front there. But I love the color on this one. It looks so good. Then we've got the Lamborghini Veneno. There it is in that green color, blacked out wheels with the white lip on them. Gotta love the Veneno, one of the most exotic looking Lamborghinis. And of course, we've got the King, the Bugatti Veyron, the faster than ever wheels, all in gold there. This is a fast Hot Wheels casting. All right, let's see the Tesla Roadster go up against one of these each one by one, and how many can it beat? All right, guys, we're set for race number 1. We've got the Pagani in lane 2, the Tesla in lane 5. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go!
You and I are working here today. If evidence of that.
And the Pagani takes the win in race number 1 to put the hypercars up 1-0. But now let's take the Porsche 918 Spyder versus the Tesla Roadster Starman. Who do you guys think is going to win this race? Comment down below. Let's find out. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? On your mark, get set, go! And the 918 takes out the Tesla Roadster Starman to win it in race number 2, 2-0 for the hypercars. But now we've got the Ferrari LaFerrari hybrid action versus the Tesla Starman. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. Here we go, let's find out who takes the win. On your mark, get set, go! And that's 3 wins for the hypercars. They take out the Tesla Roadster 3-0 so far. But now it's the McLaren P1. It is time for the P1. P1 will take on lane number 2. Tesla Roadster in lane number 5. Let's go ahead and find out who takes this one. On your mark, get set, go! And it's another win for the hypercars as the McLaren P1 takes the win in race number 4. But now it's time to find out, can Lamborghini also get a win and beat the Tesla? It is close to a sweep here. Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! That's 5 wins in a row for the HyperCars. Can the Tesla Roadster finally get a win against the big Bugatti Veyron? Let's find out. Is it going to be a sweep for the HyperCars, or will the Tesla finally get a win and end it with a win? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. An absolute sweep by the HyperCars. Poor Tesla Roadster Starman could not even get a single win. Maybe you're better off just in space and not on the racetrack. But let's find out for our racetrack and for the ultimate champion of today's tournament, which is the fastest of the HyperCars. We're going to find out in a winner takes all race right now. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. The Pagani Huayra, your ultimate champion from today's race tournament. Poor Tesla Roadster Starman couldn't even get a win. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car that we raced in today's tournament, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.